Today we are going to show you the best electric bikes you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best electric bikes for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you the best tech products, which you can buy right now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering electric bikes, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5, Jasion EB5 electric bike. Let's start with the amazing 350W brushless motor on the Jasion EB5 mountain e-bike. It's a game changer. Picture cruising at a cool 20 miles per hour without breaking a sweat. The power under your seat makes every ride, whether on rugged trails or through the city, an adventure. Now, let's talk about the upgraded LCD display. It's like having a personal biking assistant at your fingertips. You can check your speed, see how much battery life is left, and even customize the pedal assist system, PAS, modes to fit your style. Want to feel like you're flying? Crank up the assistance. In the mood for a workout? Dial it back. The choice is yours, and that's what makes every ride with the EB5 feel truly special. One of the things I absolutely adore about the Jasion EB5 mountain e-bike is the freedom its battery offers. Imagine this: a 360Wh lithium-ion battery that takes you 25 to 40 miles on a single charge. That covers your daily commute, weekend adventures, and even those unplanned detours with ease. The best part? It's removable. So, when you get home or to the office, just pop it out and plug it in. No need to lug the whole bike inside. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Climb aboard the EB5, and you're in for a treat. Those 26-inch puncture-resistant tires? It's like riding on a cloud. The Shimano 7-speed gears? Perfect for finding your rhythm. And let's not forget the high-strength front fork suspension and dual lights. Whether you're conquering rugged trails or weaving through the city at night, the EB5 makes every ride smooth and safe. At just 49.6 pounds, the EB5 isn't just a looker, it's a performer too. The high-carbon steel frame gives it a sleek and minimalist appearance without sacrificing strength or stability. You can feel the quality in every pedal stroke. Number 4, Lectric XP 3.0. The XP 3.0 features an aluminum frame and 20-inch wheels with 3-inch wide tires, allowing for lower tire pressures for improved grip and comfort. It includes a front suspension fork for added comfort, although the travel distance of the fork is not specified on Lectric's website. Additionally, the bike comes with a suspension seat post and a wide, comfortable saddle. Before I tried the XP 3.0 myself, I had a friend who is 6 feet 5 inches take it for a spin. Despite finding the overall length of the bike to be too short for him, he was still able to ride it comfortably. I am 5 feet 11 inches and found the bike size to be just right. Due to its short wheelbase, typical of folding bikes, the handling is very responsive. While this can feel a bit unsteady in tight turns, the Lectric handles predictably and solidly at higher speeds and through swooping turns. The motor engages almost immediately when you start pedaling or when you turn the throttle. However, reaching the full assist speed, 20 miles per hour, was a bit more challenging compared to some of Lectric's competitors. Nonetheless, the bike does not feel underpowered when it matters. This becomes evident when starting from a standstill on a hill. I couldn't get going just by pedaling in this situation, but using the throttle helped me reach speed quickly. While it was easiest to start in the highest assist setting, it was still possible to get moving on lower assist settings by shifting into easier gears and pedaling to assist the bike. Both my tester and I rode the XP 3.0 in December, with temperatures ranging from 20 to 50 degrees. It's worth noting that colder temperatures can affect battery life. Number 3, Ancheer electric mountain bike. The e-bike comes with a removable 48V/374Wh battery, providing a pedal assist range of up to 55 miles per charge when using the low pedal assist level. It is equipped with a 500W brushless geared motor, peak 750W, that supports speeds of 20 to 22 miles per hour and provides reliable assistance for your daily commute, mountain rides, or trail adventures, with the ability to handle most hillsides encountered. The bike features a comprehensive LCD display showing gear position, speed, and mileage, enhancing your riding experience. Its high-strength carbon steel fork and aluminum alloy frame provide a combination of lightweight and sturdiness. The 21-speed transmission system allows you to select the suitable speed for your ride, while the front and rear disc brakes ensure safety. Additionally, the aluminum alloy double-walled rims offer durability. The PX54 integrated waterproof line and lockable suspension fork offer added convenience and adaptability to different road conditions. This e-bike is 85% pre-assembled and comes with an assembly video for the main parts. It also includes a 1-year service for the electric motor, battery, and main replaceable parts, ensuring worry-free usage. An electronic user manual and lifetime technical support are also provided by Ancheer Sunshine. Number 2, Heybike Cityscape 500W high torque motor. Equipped with a 500W brushless motor, peak 1000W, Heybike Cityscape 2.0 boasts powerful performance, allowing riders to effortlessly maneuver through traffic and tackle steep hills or challenging terrains with a maximum speed of up to 24 miles per hour. The UL-certified 468 WH/IPX6 waterproof lithium-ion battery not only possesses outstanding waterproof performance, but is also exceptionally safe and reliable. With a single charge, it achieves a range of up to 50 miles. The removable battery design ensures convenient charging whether you are at home or in the office. Effortlessly switch between throttle and pedal assistance to match your diverse riding moods. In throttle mode, the range can reach 30 to 35 miles, while in assisted mode, it extends to 35 to 50 miles. Moreover, in pedal assist mode, it cleverly strengthens the muscles around the knees, ultimately contributing to maintaining your physical health. Cityscape 2.0, with its state-of-the-art 7-speed and effective suspension, elevates your riding comfort to new heights, providing unprecedented control over your electric bike. The outstanding dual-disc brakes and lighting system comprehensively safeguard your safety. 26 inches by 1.95 inches puncture-resistant tires achieve a clever balance between performance and versatility. It effectively reduces the risk of being punctured by sharp objects and enhances the friction between the tire and the ground through its raised tread design, promptly coming into play during braking. Number 1, Aventon Aventure 2. The Aventure Point 2 is designed to tackle various terrains and conditions with its fat tires and 80mm travel suspension fork. It is equipped with powerful hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. There are 2 size options available: regular for riders 5 feet 3 inches to 5 feet 10 inches, and large for riders 5 feet 10 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. Shorter riders can also choose the step-through design for more clearance. The Aventure Point 2 weighs 77 pounds, which can be noticeable when maneuvering the bike. However, once riding, the weight becomes less of an issue. The wide tires provide excellent traction and stability, making it fun to ride, especially in the snow. The bike features fenders to protect against road spray and is suitable for all conditions. The motor is strong and quick, providing ease of riding through different surfaces. The advertised range is up to 60 miles per charge, depending on assist mode, terrain, and riding conditions. Additionally, using only the throttle can provide up to 30 miles on a single charge. The Aventure Point 2 is a versatile commuter e-bike that performs well on various surfaces, including dirt, mud, snow, and pavement. It comes with turn signals and rear brake lights, making it a great choice for commuting. The torque sensor provides a customized assist experience. However, the bike is heavy, and the suspension fork may be unnecessary for some riders. Overall, it's a top choice for commuting to and from the office. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.